This is Faiz Mahmood. Today we are going to start another series of lectures that is correct use of tenses. There are basically three tenses: present, past, and future. Every tense has four states: simple, progressive, perfect, and perfect continuous. Today we are going to learn present simple, or it is also called present indefinite tense. When do we use the present simple? The main use of present simple is for journal action, events and states which are repeated events, facts which are journal facts, which are not limited in time and nor temporary. These are the usages, these are the conditions where we can use present simple tense. Now, we try to learn it through examples. Repeated events, we often use adverbs of frequency, often, usually, and expression of repeated time, like Thursdays in the summer, twice a year. These kind of expression we use in present simple. I get up early. This is a habit, usual, and repeated event which one does daily. These are the kind of general events, general facts. I live in Islamabad, I live in London, I live in New York. That's a permanent fact, journal fact. Water boils at 100 degrees centigrade. It cannot be changed. 100 degrees centigrade cannot be changed. Do you smoke? Someone is asking someone about the habit which he has had. How often do you study? It is an event or a habit which one has had, and the other one is inquiring about the timings and the length of time one spends in studies. He always shines in studies like a star. Always. This is a word of frequency. This tells that this is a permanent event. Habitual behavior. I walk to school daily. Now mark the word daily. I eat my supper at 7. Mark the word 7 p.m. He usually, mark this word, goes to cinema. The doctor attends the patient. The pilot flies a plane. These are the habitual behavior of persons which we can use in present simple. These are the timeless facts. They have nothing to do with the time. They remain the same ever and ever. Earth revolves around the sun. Uneasy lies the head that wears a crown. A thing of beauty is a joy forever. Pride hath a fall. Every cloud has a silver lining. So we use these kind of word and facts which are timeless, in present indefinite or present simple tense. Now look at these. You have always observed that sports commentator are use present simple in their commentary. He hits a six. Federer serves Nadal and runs to the net. These are irregular uses which you have seen and observed during the commentary of sports by the commentators. We sometimes use present simple to refer to past events, that is referred to as historic present. We say usage of present for the past event, a historic present, and we use it in informal spoken narratives when we are narrating some incident, some event informally. It has no formal usage. He walks into the bar and takes out a gun. It's a past event which someone is narrating to someone informally in a spoken language. He can use this past event and use present simple for narrating the past event. If he uses present simple for narrating the past event, this will be called historic present. It is used in making pronouncement. I pronounce you husband and wife. I declare the house open. Often you have seen for the seminars, for the games, and for the debate houses, the presiding officer pronouncing it in a present simple. So it is used in the newspaper headlines. Always you have seen the newspaper headlines are in the present simple tense. And we also use present simple for the future events which are definite or scheduled. The president leaves for Australia tomorrow. Actually, it should be president will leave for Australia tomorrow. But present simple is used where something has been scheduled. If we use it present will leave for Australia tomorrow, there may not be that certainty which will we find in the present simple. The president leaves for Australia tomorrow. Something when it is scheduled, we prefer to use present simple for near future incidents or events which are scheduled. We use S or ES with third person like she, he, and it. These are third person singular. With third person singular, we use S and ES with the first form of the verb. She eats, she does not eat. The S of the eat, we use it with do and make it does. Does she eat? She beats the dog. He does not beat the dog. Does he beat the dog? Simple, negative, interrogative. It rains heavily. It does not rain heavily. Does it rain heavily? They beat him. Simple first form of the verb with every other noun and pronoun except third person singular. He, she, it pronouns and the names, singular names. We use S with the first form of the verb in present indefinite tense. So here we are. Thank you very much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe for more on correct use of tenses. Thank you very much.